Good morning. Today the sun shines in Stockholm and I'm very happy. And today, a lesson for today is zero product method. The zero product method is used to solve equations where a product equals zero. If A times B equals 0, then A equals 0 or B equals 0. Just when is the equation equals 0. Equations, steps. Write the equation so it equals 0. Set each factor A equals 0 equal to 0 or B equals 0. Set each factor equal to 0. Solve for x. For example, the first example, x times x plus 2. Set each factor equal to 0. X equal 0 because we have times here. We have multiplication here. X plus 2 equal 0. X1 equals 0 and x2 equal minus 2. Because when we're moving plus 2 to another side, equal side, we change the sign. The first solution x equals 0 and the second solution x2 equal minus 2. The second example. We have this equation x plus 4 times x minus 7, and we will set every factor equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 4 minus 7 equals 0. Then x equal minus 4, because when we move 4 to another side, equal sides, we will change the sign. X2 equals 7. So the solution, x1 equal minus 4 and x2 equal 7. The third example, we have x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0, and we know 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 2 times 4 equals 8. So the numbers we will use here, xx plus, because I have plus all the way, and 2, 4. We can control x by x squared, 2x plus 4x, 6x, 2 times 4 equal 8. Then x plus 2 equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0. And the solution, x plus 2 equals 0, x1 equal minus 2, x plus 4 equals 0, x2 equal minus 4, x1 equal minus 2, and x2 equal minus 4. Remember, you can only use the zero product method if the equation equals 0. Always move all the terms to one side before factoring. Again, remember, you can only use the zero product method if the equation equals 0. Always move all the terms to one side before factoring. I hope it was a good lesson for today. We meet in a new lesson. Goodbye.